Okay, so last time we discussed about carbon. Carbon is an element, the history, and how does a carbon looks like, and what are the uses of carbon. And now we're going to talk about organic and inorganic compound. So what is organic and inorganic compound? How do they differ? The first one, so we're going to compare them, organic and the inorganic compound. We're going to compare them and let's see what is the difference between these two. So how can we say that a compound is an organic compound or inorganic compound? So when we say compound, this is combinations or group of atoms or elements. Okay, first, organic compound contains carbon atoms. So it composed of carbon atoms. While inorganic compound mostly do not contain carbon atoms. What else? Aside from it contains carbon, this carbon must be bonded with hydrogen, oxygen, or nitrogen. So not only that it is contained of carbon, but this carbon in organic compound, the carbons must be bonded with either hydrogen, oxygen, or nitrogen for us to say that it is organic compound. While inorganic compound, these do not contain bond or hydrogen and oxygen bond. So there is no bond between carbon, hydrogen, or oxygen. What else? Organic compound are flammable and volatile. So when we say volatile, it has the ability to evaporate. So it changes phase to gas. And when we say inorganic compound, these are the compounds that are not flammable and non-volatile in nature. They cannot evaporate easily. They do not make fire, unlike organic compounds. What else? Organic compound, it can be in solid, liquid, or gas form. So all phases of matter, organic compound can be in this form. So either solid, liquid, or gas. But inorganic compound, it exists in solid form. So it does not have liquid form nor gas form. What else? Organic compound is mainly found in living things, while inorganic compound, they are found in non-living things. What else? Organic compound, these are biological and more complex in nature. Biological, so like the one that was already said a while ago, it is coming from the living things. So biological, from the word bio, it means living things. And it is more complex in nature, while inorganic compound, these are of minerals and much complexity in nature. So what else? Organic compounds cannot make salts, while inorganic compounds can make salts. Okay, next. Organic compound, this includes fats, nucleic acids, sugars, enzymes, proteins, and hydrocarbon fuels. So when we say hydrocarbon, it means it is composed only of hydrogen and carbon bonds. While inorganic compound, this includes the non-metals, salts, metals, acids, bases, substances which are made from single element. What else? Organic compound forms covalent bonds. We are already done discussing what a covalent bond is, while inorganic compound form ionic bonds between the atoms of molecules. We already discussed the difference of covalent bonds and ionic bonds, right? Okay. So this is a short assessment for you. So you're going to tell us whether the following is organic or inorganic compound. So you're just going to type down on the comment box below whether the following is organic or inorganic compound. Okay, first is we have fructose, C6H12O6. We also have sucrose, C12H22O11. Copper oxide or Cu2O. We also have lactose, C12H22O11. We also have magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. Okay. We also have calcium chloride or CaCl. We also have methane, CH4. And we also have glucose, C6H12O6. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to answer this one. I'll give you 1 minute to analyze the one that you can read and the one that you can see on the screen, and then type your answers on the comment box below. 1 minute. What is it? Okay, very good. That is organic compound because it has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Let's take a look at the next example. So we have sucrose. So it has 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, and 11 oxygen atoms. So what is this? Very good. This is again organic compound. Okay, let's take a look at the third one. So we have copper oxide. So there are 2 atoms of copper and 1 atom of oxygen. What is this? Great! It is an inorganic compound. Although we can see oxygen but there is no carbon, then that is an inorganic compound. There is no bond of oxygen to carbon or hydrogen to carbon or nitrogen to carbon. So that is an inorganic compound. Next, let's take a look at number 4. Very good. That is organic compound because again, there is a bond between carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Let's take a look at number 5. We have magnesium carbonate. So, Mg, 1 atom of magnesium, 1 atom of carbon, and 3 atoms of oxygen. So, what is this? Very good. This is an inorganic compound. Next, calcium chloride. 1 atom of calcium and 1 atom of chlorine. So what is this? Great! That is still an inorganic compound because you have not been able to see a bond between a carbon to a hydrogen or an oxygen. Next, methane. CH4 or 1 carbon atom bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. What is this? Great! This is an organic compound. And actually, this is one of the hydrocarbons. And lastly, we have glucose. C6H12O6 or 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen atom, and 6 oxygen atom. What is this? Very good. This is still an organic compound because it has a bond of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.